life of an entrepreneur. This is what happens when you run a business. I'm really going through the motions. Like,
well, what's up, YouTube? It's your girls and Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you return, and I already know you love it here. If you're new, come join us. I know you're gonna love it here too. You guys, as you know from my previous videos, if you don't know, go check it out. I quit my 9 to 5 in April of 2025, and I started my entrepreneur journey. So today I'm just bringing y'all along with me as a lash tech. So right now I need some products. So we're gonna go to one of 2 stores in New York City to go get some lash products last minute. And yeah, I just want to bring you guys along with me. I have a client today at 4 o'clock. It's about 2 o'clock. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is one of 2 lash stores in New York City. I think the other one is in Brooklyn, but I'm here buying some stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm here just prepping. I went to this lash store, like I told you guys, and I got some products. I got me a new tweezer. I got me CC curls, 0.05 diameter, and I got me some CC wispies. So they recommended me to get these wispy set because it's already pre-made fans. I'm gonna try this. I've been trying to make my own fans, but I'm just trying things out to see what works for me. So I really am trying to perfect my wispy set because I do like a good wispy set. So I got to turn on the camera and record, but I just was mapping out the set that I want to do, just so it just saves time when you do it before your client comes. So, and I bought me another one of these. I like to use these as I'm lashing, so that's what I'm about to do now. So what I do is the lengths that I need off. So being that I already wrote it down, I know what I'm going to be using. So good morning, you guys. So it's 8 a.m. Thursday morning, and I got my breakfast. Now, of course, just like any job, it's important to eat before you start working. I got me a sesame seed bagel with cream cheese. Hey, you guys. So I'm on break. I'm in Starbucks. I'm getting matcha because I've been craving a matcha lately. What it got? Cold foam. Y'all see it right there. I can't even read it. Oat milk. I got some type of brown sugar cold foam, vanilla cold foam, cold foam, cold foam. Money, 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 money. Okay, so this is what I got for lunch. It's a chicken beef patty with cocoa bread from Golden Cross. I'm in a rush, so I just came to check in with y'all. And yeah, waiting for my clients to come, and I'll see you guys in a few. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm home now. I did my 2 clients today. Must I say I ate down. So right now I'm taking off this wig. My friend is here. She's about to do my hair and cook for me. So we're in the kitchen cooking right now. So this is how I take off my wig. I just put a whole bunch of it on my edges, and you don't want to like get it in your eyes, so just be careful. But I put it there and I just rub on top until it starts to feel loose. And tomorrow, so far, I have 1 client at 2:30. I gotta go back to the lash store to get some products. And then, no, I have 2 clients tomorrow, actually, because I gotta do chemo lashes too. So I'm doing 2 lashes tomorrow. The girls is booking wispy, so. Good morning, you guys. So it's about almost 11. I'm running a little bit behind because I couldn't sleep last night. So now I'm on my way back to the lash store. They should have me on a first name basis because I'm in here every day once I found out about this store. Y'all, so I just made a big investment for y'all. Starting a business requires making an investment. So the money you make, yeah, I'm getting clients and stuff, but I gotta put that money right back into the business. But I'm excited because, you know what's so crazy, y'all? Because I always thought I didn't have like any like creativity. So when you finally like tap into your creativity, into your femininity, like it's just like, I don't know what chakra that is, but whatever chakra that is, it's chakra-ing. We about to go eat some lashes. We about to go. Take me through there. Take me through there. Hey, you guys. So right now it is Friday, 9:41, and I had a client earlier. One client canceled on me, so I'm gonna do her on Sunday. So now, as you can see,
I'm about to get my hair done. So Hakeema's about to bring my hair. I'm about to get some knotless braids, and then I have a client 8 a.m. tomorrow. And I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm gonna be tired. Because yesterday I only got like 3 hours of sleep. Oh look, come show the lashes. Show the lashes. Yes. So get up close and personal. She got the doll eye. And I tried bottoms today for the first time, y'all. And I asked my niece to rate the set. She said 9.10. And I asked her what would have made a 10. She said if it wasn't so long. So you know, in reality, it's a 10. Because over here we like long lashes. Yeah, shine a light on. Oof. Oof. Yeah, let me get. We just vibing. Cinnamon, come say hi. I got the on the rocks. So we about to toast up, drink a little bit. I am reporting to you guys at 2:48 in the morning. Hey you guys, so it is 3:45. Can y'all get into the neatness? Like, what? Are you kidding me? She's bringing your girl back to life. These about to be the best braids I've had in 2025. Look at this. Hey guys, so it's about to be almost 5 in the morning. And I just wanted to show y'all the best braids I got in 2025. And it's these. And usually I don't do my baby hairs because I'm just very low maintenance when it comes to that. But I'm learning how to do my baby hair. So we did teamwork. So I showed Akima this technique and she styled it. So I started with these sides. And then she did these sides. It's a little more dramatic than what I would have done. But so we could do it like this. Wow, look at the face card. Like, what? These are the... Oof. She told me I need my eyebrows done. So this is the side. And Kima, come. And these are the lashes I did today. So yeah, that's what we at right now. So this is life of an entrepreneur. This is what happens when you run a business. I'm really going through the motions. Like sometimes clients reschedule on me, they cancel on me. And today's one of those days where it was on my end and we had to push it. But thank God my client just said that she can come on Sunday. She still wants to come. So I'm going to see her tomorrow. So I got to make sure I get rest tonight. Good morning, guys. So I just wanted to show y'all how I beat my makeup down. Like when I take my time, do you see the brows? Like what? My clusters. So they're waiting for me outside. I'm going over to my family's house. So that's what we're doing for today. I wanted to show y'all what it's given. Right now I have on my Lululemon top, jacket, leggings, and Uggs. It's a mess. I gotta go. Talk to y'all soon.